is a competitive examination attempted by millions of students every year in India. This was the February 2016 question paper, Computer Science and Information Technology, a question on the theory of computation. Problem 42. Consider the following two statements. 1 says, if all the states of a non-deterministic finite operator NFA are accepting states, then the language accepted by NFA is compulsorily sigma star. Second says there exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. There are two statements. We have to decide on the four choices. 1 is true, 2 is true, 1 and 2 are both true, 1 and 2 are both false. The multiple choice question. The examiner has guaranteed one answer alone is correct and 3 are wrong. So the GATE csit paper 1 question 42, a multiple choice question. 3 choices are wrong, 1 answer is correct. Now the examiner is very clever and will ensure 1 answer is correct and 3 are wrong. The student should guess the answer the examiner wants. In this problem, 2 choices are possible depending on how the definition of NFA is taken to start with. We have to guess the definition the examiner wants. There is a question. Let us start with question 42, the first statement. Take NFA, make all the states final and see whether it accepts sigma star. Let us consider statement 1. We will start the NFA with all accepting states, which means whatever state the NFA is in, we just keep shouting, I accept, I accept, I accept. This means the NFA accepts sigma star. Here, for example, is NFA. Both states are final. On 0, it goes to a final state. 1, it goes to a final state. Epsilon, it remains in a final state. Here, 0 go to a final state. 1 go to a final state. NFA is always in some accepting state. So it accepts sigma star. Let us take another choice for NFA. Another definition for NFA. Here is NFA with one state. Epsilon it accepts. For any string comes, 0 it throws tantrum false. So undefined state. 1 throw tantrums fault for undefined state. This NFA is undefined for any symbol, any string except epsilon. So this accepts only epsilon and not sigma star, and all the states are final. So throwing tantrums and being undefined means no state for NFA. So in this case, we can say statement 1 is false. So A cannot be the answer, C cannot be the answer. You have to choose between B and D. It depends on statement 2. Statement 2 says there must be some regular language A. Whatever language B I take, A intersection B must be regular. To consider choice 2, take a simple language. The simplest possible regular set is the empty set. The empty set is trivially regular. Empty set is called the annihilator. Intersecting any set with the annihilator yields the empty set. So what we do is we take 5, intersect it with any language, we get back a regular set. So statement 2 is true. So statement 1 is true and 2 is true provided we take the first choice of the NFA. But if we take the second choice of the NFA, then we will find only statement B is true. So statement B is true only and statement 1 is false if we take an NFA that throws tantrums and goes to undefined state. The examiner wants answer B. So B is more standard than A. So as the official key also the answer is B. The examiner prefers NFA that throws tantrum and undefined on some state symbol behavior. So the answer is B. The examiner is always correct. We have to choose the choice the examiner wants. End of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.